Welcome to the virtual tour of this gorgeous home. Please note the tab labeled More provides additional viewing options such as a 360-degree walk-through tour with dollhouse schematics, floor plans, and other helpful links. Thank you and enjoy this gorgeous updated home in the private gated community of Meridian Valley Country Club is 2,190 square feet with 3 bedrooms, 1 full bath and 2 3/4 baths sitting on a 10,000 square feet fully fenced lot. This beautiful home sports a huge open floor plan with soaring vaulted ceilings, hardwood flooring, new carpeting, new 50-year roof, new paint, new furnace, move-in ready. This fantastic home features a large pantry, casual dining area and eating space opening to gorgeous northern views. You cannot find